I've been walking down this road, on my own, on my own. I've been searching to find my way, to find the path you've been traveling on, like the trees wait for the rain to come. I feel hope in the strength of our love. And I'm going crazy, 'cause you're moving slow. Your train ain't running like I want it to go. Like the seas wait for the dawn to come. I feel hope in the strength of our love. So wait for me as I wait for you, and we'll find the love we've wanted soon.
Even though they are coming together as one, it is the end of a chapter tonight, Lord. It's just the beginning of another one. And may you be with us for the rest of the night. Amen. Hunter and Hannah, today you are surrounded by your friends and family, all of whom have gathered here to witness your marriage and to share in the joy of this special occasion. Today, as you join yourselves in marriage, there is a vast and unknown future stretching out before you. The possibilities and potentials of your married life are great. The task of choosing your values and making your dreams real now falls upon your shoulders. Through your commitment to each other, may you grow and nurture a love that makes both of you better people. A love that continues to give you great joy and also a passion for living that provides you with energy and patience to face the responsibilities of life. You know, when I met Hannah in the 8th grade, the first interaction we had is that Hannah told me that she has 6 sisters. And then she tied my shoes to a school desk chair. I knew at that moment that we would become lifelong friends. Hunter and Hannah's relationship has grown so much in the past few years that I'm sure none of us here are surprised that we're here today. Hunter and Hannah's relationship began on Valentine's Day of 2013, and here we are almost 7 years later, celebrating these two coming together on this special day. Joshua 1:9 says, "Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord, your God, will be with you wherever you go." Not only does that mean that you have each other to count on, but God is with you at all times. True marriage begins well before the wedding day, and the efforts of marriage continue well beyond the end. A brief moment in time and the stroke of a pen are all that is required to create the legal bond of marriage. But it takes a lifetime of love, commitment, and compromise to make marriage durable and everlasting. Today, you declare your commitment to each other before your family and friends. Your yesterdays were the path to this moment, and your journey to a future of togetherness becomes a little clearer with each new day. Hunter and Hannah will now take part in the sand ceremony. Now it is time for the vows. Do you, Hunter, take Hannah to be your lawfully wedded wife, promising to love and cherish, through joy and sorrow, sickness and health, and whatever challenges you may face for as long as you both shall live? Do you, Hannah, take Hunter to be your lawfully wedded husband, promising to love and cherish, through joy and sorrow, sickness and health, and whatever challenges you may face for as long as you both shall live? Do we have the rings? Hunter, please repeat after me. I, Hunter, give you, Hannah, this ring as an eternal symbol of my love and commitment to you. All right, Hannah, please repeat after me. I, Hannah, give you, Hunter, this ring as an eternal symbol of my love and commitment to you. Well, I guess it's now time for the moment you've all been waiting for. By the power vested in me, by the great state of Louisiana, I hereby now pronounce you husband and wife. Hunter, you may kiss your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I now present to you Mr. and Mrs. Hunter Clark.
Well, I heard he needed some help on the farm. Somebody with a truck and two strong arms, not scared of dirt and willing to work till the sun goes down. So I pulled up and said, I'm your man, I can start right now. And we shook hands. He said, the fence needs fixing, the peaches need picking and the cows need bringing round. I was hauling hay, I was feeding the hogs, and that summer sun had me sweating like a dog, so I cooled off in the creek. Then it was back to work in that dadgum heat. I was cussing out loud, thinking about quitting. Looking back now, I'm sure glad I didn't, 'cause just when I thought it couldn't get no hotter, I caught a glimpse of the farmer's daughter. She was just getting home from Panama City. She was all tanned up and my kind of pretty. When her eyes met mine, I was thinking that I sure love my job. As the days got shorter, our talks got longer. The kisses got sweeter and the feelings got stronger. So we'd hop in the truck and get all tangled up every chance we got. We were down by the river all night long. When the sun came up, I was sneaking her home and dragging my butt to work. With the smell of her perfume on my shirt, I'd be on the tractor, she'd be on my mind, with that sun beating down on his back of mine. And just when I thought it couldn't get no hotter, I fell in love with the farmer's daughter. We got married last spring. Whoa, and there ain't no better life for me. I'm still hauling hay and feeding the hogs, and that summer sun's got me sweating like a dog, so I cool off in the creek. And she brings me out a glass of sweet iced tea. Now I'm on the tractor, she's on my mind, and I can't wait till it's quitting time.
Robert, any words for the newlyweds?
First, I would like to say thank you so much, Emily, but congratulations to Hannah and Mr. Hunter Clark. It has been a very pleasurable day and evening to capture you guys' union. I wish you the best in your marriage moving forward, and we got to get back to work because clearly it's got so much to do.